Hello and welcome. This morning I'm going to speak to you about the Nourishing Orange Flower collection, which helps to restore the natural balance, leaving the skin soft, beautifully soft and supple. We're using our organic neroli, also known as orange flower essential oil, and it's distilled from the blossom of a Seville orange grove at the foot of the Atlas Mountains in Morocco. Doesn't that sound romantic? Oh, I want to go there. And so it has obviously the orange flowers there. Oh, do you remember that? It's sort of the uplifting. It's oh, so romantic. And it does your skin so much good as well. So we believe in beauty and well-being that radiates happiness, using organic and natural ingredients made from ethically sourced botanical and essential oils. And they're crafted in our eco factory in Dorset, so in the UK. We create potent blends of love and science and nature. And we use these things so we can feel good and look good naturally. So that has a couple of things there. We're in a world where we need to make it better, and I love the fact that we're doing health and beauty without putting too much of a footprint on the planet itself. So anyway, today you've obviously come because you've got your orange flower skincare kit for nourishing and for dry skin. So in here we have your cotton bag with the Neal's Yard emblem in perfect balance. That's what the tree represents. And the eco cotton bag. And I have actually had a little rummage in here already. And we've got the Nourishing Orange Flower Facial Wash. We've got the toner. The toner refines dry skin. We've got the beautiful orange flower facial oil. And the Nourishing Orange Flower Daily Moisturiser. Now the purpose of now is to show you how to do these things, but I'm going to use the large ones because I've got them open. I don't want to damage those. So we've got the Orange Flower Facial Wash. We've got the Nourishing Orange Flower Toner. And we've got the Orange Flower Nourishing Daily Moisturiser. Incidentally, when you need to replenish those, you get 15% off if you get them from me, okay? Off my website or from myself. So that makes that $49.30, which is not bad. It's a retail normally of £58, so there's a bit of a saving there. And remember, a little goes a long way. I'm always a bit extravagant with them, but doesn't mean you have to be. Okay, so we'll tuck that back in there again, ready for you to use. So we've got a nice bowl of water. You can use your sink. This is my pretend sink. And I'm going to take the glasses off. You've all gone out of focus. Look great. And we're going to damp the skin. Take a little bit of the face wash, orange flower face wash. You probably need about a pea size. I will go again a bit mad. Put it on. It's a nice light, soft, foaming facial wash. Creamy and silky texture with soothing calendula and aloe vera. Aloe vera? So silky smooth texture, and I'm going to use a flannel. You can use cotton wool to remove it, or you can just splash it off, but I like to use a flannel because it's slightly exfoliating, which helps prepare for the next part of the process. Oh, nice and refreshing. There we go. Oh, wide awake. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It's got a slightly green smell. I don't know why I say a green smell, but it's a green smell. And then just use a towel to just pat dry it. You then get your cotton pads, if you can find them. Oh, here they are. You get your cotton pads and you get your toner. Yeah, you get your toner. Get your elbows out. Good exercise as well. Start from your chin and sweep outwards. Just very gently. No dragging. Oh, I meant to say, if you prefer the texture of a cream cleanser, they do a calendula cleanser. It's not in this kit, but it is available. Okay, that's that. And then we go on to do, oh, it's in here, I think. The orange flower facial oil. I'll show you a little bit of a facial massage to do with that as well. So that's a little bonus there. All right, so there it is, a little bottle. As I said, I'm just doing the trial size one, about 2 or 3 drops. For me, I need 4 or 5 drops. The only reason is that my skin actually is very, very dry and just soaks everything in. So warm it up in your hands. Oh, smell it, it's gorgeous. Oh, I'm back on holiday again. Romantic scene by the beach or in my sister's garden in Spain. Okay, so just gently, kind of use this part of your hand, yeah? But not strongly. Up and out. Oh, kind of like wakes you up even just doing this. And then up. And it's very soothing, this. Massage it in for a few minutes before you moisturiser, and it replenishes your skin. A little bit up and over. You want to give yourself a little instant facelift. Push it to the back. It's pushing your lymph back, that's why it does it. Helps the lymph flow. Again, not too hard, very gently. It's more of a skin movement rather than moving the muscles or anything else like that. Okay, and then just a little smoothing. It's a bit stimulating this. Round by the eyes, in towards the nose. Oh, I'm off again, dreaming away. Feels lovely. It's not too sticky on your skin or anything. It's easily absorbed into your skin. Okay, and then I'm going to start by doing a pressure point, third eye. Quite a good way to start meditating. I don't know whether any of you meditate out there. I used to do it a lot. I try a bit more now. Okay, and then pressing. You can start here, press here, draining. Quite good to do under your eyes as well. Out towards your ears. Either do it this way or that way, whichever one you prefer. Depends how flexible you are, actually, to be honest, from when you're doing it at home. Obviously, when we're doing, as a therapist, when we're sitting at your head, it's a bit easier to do that kind of thing. It's a slightly different angle. And do a little crab pinch here. Just hold and release, hold and release, hold and release. Baby crab, you're not hurting it. You're not pulling it or anything like that. Just gently. And underneath. Baby crab. There. Over the top. Never forget to do this area here. This always feels good. Very relaxed. Any tension it gets rid of. Bring it slightly up and forward a little bit, because then you can get to the lymph nodes here. Oh, this arm I have to support it a little bit. Okay, that feels lovely. Again, just finish at the back there. And maybe a little, oh, I don't want to stop. There we go. And then we need to put on a little bit of the moisturiser as well. So a little bit of the moisturiser. Ooh, they put it somewhere safe. That's never good. Okay, I'll take it out of the bottle here. There we go. That's the facial wash. That won't help, will it? Okay, the moisturiser. Little goes a long way. Just pat it on. I like to put my fingers a little bit apart. Maybe it's a therapy thing, not sure, to be honest. And then you're ready to go. Wow, brilliant. Any questions, any skincare problems, or if you want, oh, I can't stop doing this now. If you want to know a little bit more about the range, or if you'd like a facial again, then just let me know. Take care, have a good day, bye.